Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video.
Now coming to, if you want to use the old sections and you want to add this tab right here, then you can do that as well. Now let me show you how you can do that. So for that, we'll have to head over to this article that we have done on Kadence Design Library update, and you will have to come to the missing tab section right here, and in that you will have to come to sections, and you will see this connection URL and connection access key. This is what we need. So what I'm going to do is I am going to copy this right here, the connection URL, and then I'm going to head over to the new Kadence Design Library and click this plus icon right here. I will click this. I will add the connection URL in the connection URL section, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this section right here and paste it right here. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click add connection, and you can see the sections tab is back, and when you will click it, you will get access to all of the old designs and the categories, and you can see it right here, the section, all of these categories, all pro, new, feature, hero, form, pricing table, tabs, accordion, and testimonials. You will see all of these right here, right? All of the designs are right here. Again, if a design is pro, you will need the Kadence Blocks Pro version. If it's free, you can use it for free. So you will get access to the free designs from right here. So let's click forms, and you will get all of the forms as well. Okay.
Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.